Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fun Facts with Liam. Today we're going to be talking about another subject no one knows anything about, kelp forests. A kelp forest is an underwater area with a high density of kelp. Okay, number one. Kelp forests are located in all three climate zones, places like the Galapagos Islands, Baja California, and New Zealand. They were only discovered in the tropics 6 years ago. That's number two. Number three, unlike surface plants, kelp roots do not carry nutrients to the rest of the plant. Instead, they merely act as an anchoring system. Four, they're not plants at all. They're actually eukaryotic algae. Five, kelp forests do not only contain kelp. They are also home to invertebrates like bristleworms, scud, prawns, snails, brittle stars, sea stars, anemones, crabs, and jellyfish. They also contain rockfish, gray whales, sea lions, seals, and otters. And speaking of otters, it's time for number 6. Otters are the keystone species of kelp forests. They essentially keep the whole ecosystem in balance by controlling the red sea urchin population. 7. They occur in rocky coastlines in depths of 6 to 100 feet in nutrient-rich, clear, cool water from 42 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. For number 8, many unique adaptations can be found in the residents of kelp forests. For instance, the orange sea cucumber has tentacles around its mouth to help filter plankton and a soft, malleable body to fit between rocks. 9. Kelp forests are threatened by red sea urchins, various fishes, and other grazers, and of course by human activities like overfishing and fertilizer runoff. For number 10, conservation attempts include planting kelp, no-take areas, and stricter penalties for infringing number 2. Quiz time. What kingdom does kelp belong to? If you guessed Protista, you'd be right. Good job. What is one example of another species found in kelp forests? If you guessed any of these, you'd be right. Again. Good job. Again. What temperature range do kelp forests grow well in? Well, if you guessed this, then you'd be right. Excellent job. What is the keystone species of kelp forests? If you guessed otters, then good for you. What is the potentially dangerous species they control? Well, there it is. Okay, I'm running out of time here. Those are our sources up there. This has been Fun Facts with Liam. Until next time, you stay classy, Miss Bronner's 9th Honors Bio class.